Hello, kindergarten friends, and welcome to our lesson about water. Natural sources of water have many shapes and sizes and can be many colors. Some water sources are fresh water and some are salt water. A stream, like you see here, is a very small body of fresh water that flows. Streams can be a source of water for many animals. Here is another example of a stream. What do you notice in the water? I think I see a few rocks. This is a mountain stream. This one can be deeper and can flow much faster. Do you see those mountains in the back? Our next body of water is a river. A river is a larger body of water than a stream, and it flows in one direction. It usually has a lot of fresh water in it. It is like a stream, but bigger. Rivers also provide food and water for many animals. Rivers can be very long and very wide. Are you ready to learn about another body of water? I hope you are. The one you see here is a pond. It's a small body of fresh water that is surrounded by land. Do you see all of that green around that little body of water? That's all of the land surrounding the pond. Now, some ponds can be very small, and some can be used to decorate a backyard. And some ponds can be much, much larger, like this one here in the photograph. This is a pond in a farm. Some ponds are large and provide water for farm animals. Some can have a small boat and be used for fishing. Here's another body of water we're going to talk about today. It's a lake. A lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. It is like a pond, only bigger. Most often, they have fresh water. I really enjoy going to the lake with my family, and we love to go fishing. There are many things to do on a lake. People ride boats, jet skis, fish, and swim. Most lakes are deep in some areas and shallow in some places too. They also provide food and water for many animals. Are you noticing a pattern here? I think all these bodies of water are a great source for animals and people. Now we're going to explore the largest body of water on Earth, an ocean. An ocean is the largest body of water on Earth. It has salt water. We get many sources of food from the ocean, like fish, lobster, crab. Do you like any of those foods? Did you know there's more water on Earth than there is land? Do you notice that all the water is connected? An ocean has water as far as you can see. There can be huge waves in the ocean. Many people like to surf these large waves. The ocean is also a beautiful place at sunset and sunrise. Rain is a way water comes back to the earth. This is part of the water cycle. I hope you've enjoyed learning about different types of bodies of water